I received this automatic cordless curling iron as a gift, and in this video I'm showing the unboxing and using it on my daughter's hair so you can see how it actually performs. Right away, one of the biggest things that stands out is that it's cordless, which is so much easier to use, especially when you're doing someone else's hair. You're not dealing with the cord getting in the way or having to stay close to an outlet. This is a 1-inch rotating curling wand, and it automatically wraps the hair for you, which takes a lot of the guesswork out of curling. In the unboxing, you can see everything that comes included. The design itself looks really sleek, and it feels lightweight and easy to hold, which is important when you're styling hair for more than a few minutes. One of the features I really like is the anti-tangle design. When you're using something like this, especially on kids, the last thing you want is hair getting caught or pulled, and this helps prevent that. It also has anti-scald protection, which makes it feel a lot safer to use. That's a huge plus for me, especially since I'm using it on my daughter's hair. There's also an LED display so you can clearly see your settings, and it has a memory mode which remembers your preferred settings so you don't have to keep adjusting it every time you use it. In this video, I'm showing how it works. You basically take a section of the hair, place it in the curler, and it automatically wraps and curls for you. This makes it really beginner friendly, especially if you're not super experienced with styling tools. I will say, with any automatic curler, it does take a minute to get used to how much hair to put in and how to position it, but once you get the hang of it, it's really easy. In the video, you can see me using out my daughter's hair, and even with just learning as I go, the curls turn out really nice. The curls come out smooth and consistent, and it's nice that you don't have to manually wrap the hair around a wand. Another thing I like is that because it's cordless, it gives you more flexibility to move around, which is really helpful when you're working with kids. Overall, this is a really convenient styling tool. Between the automatic rotating design, cordless feature, safety protections, and easy to use setup, it makes curling hair a lot simpler and more approachable. In the video, you can see the full unboxing and how well it performs while actually using it, so you can get a realistic idea of what to expect.